Now, dealing with a very important topic in chemistry, which is calculation of empirical formula and molecular formula of compound. This is the topic from class 11th, unit number 1. But it is also very important for competitive examination because number of questions based on this empirical and molecular formula are being asked also in the competitive examination. So before I begin with the topic, let us just define the two. What is meant by empirical formula? So we say empirical formula is the simplest ratio of various element. The simplest ratio of various element in a compound is termed as empirical formula. The simplest ratio of various element in a compound. Whereas what is molecular formula? Molecular formula, so we say molecular formula is the actual ratio of various element in a compound. So the simplest ratio of various element is termed as the empirical formula and the actual ratio is termed as the molecular formula. Just to make this concept clear, let us take an example. Suppose if we discuss glucose as example, a very well known example, glucose. Now you know that formula of glucose is, the formula of glucose is C6H12O6. C6H12O6. Now looking onto this compound, we can say this compound is having carbon as one element, hydrogen as second element and oxygen as third element. So it is having carbon, it is having hydrogen, it is having oxygen. Now what are the ratios? So if carbon is to hydrogen is to oxygen, the actual ratio, it is 6 is to 12 is to 6. Carbon is 6, hydrogen is 12 and oxygen is 6. So the actual ratio of these element is 6 is to 12 is to 6 is the actual ratio. Now these ratios could also be simplified and written as 6 is to 12 is to 6 could be simplified and written as 1 is to 2 is to 1. So what are these? These are the actual ratio. What are these? These are the simplest ratio. So the actual ratio of various element in a compound is termed as its molecular formula. The actual ratio is termed as the molecular formula. When it is simplified and written in the simplest form, the simplest ratio is termed as empirical formula. So we can say what is the empirical formula of glucose? The empirical formula of glucose is C1H2O1. C1H2O1 is the simplest ratio, which is the empirical formula, and the molecular formula of glucose. So molecular formula of glucose is C6H12O6. So empirical formula is C1H2O1 and its molecular formula is C6H12O6. Let us consider an example to specify it further. If I specify this it further, or it could be done. Suppose if we take an example. Now suppose if a question is given to us, कि find out empirical and molecular formula of 1 acetic acid and 2 acetone. One is acetic acid, other is acetone. So we have to write the molecular formula of these two compounds and then convert it into empirical formula. So first, regarding the acetic acid, so what is the formula of acetic acid? So it is CH3 C double bond OOH. CH3 C double bond OOH. So how many carbon are there? 2. How many hydrogen are there? 4. How many oxygen are there? 2. So what its molecular formula? The molecular formula of acetic acid is C2H4O2. The molecular formula is C2H4O2, which is the actual ratio. Can it be simplified? So yes, we can simplify and write it as C2H4O2 can be simplified and written as C1H2O1. C2H4O2 could be written as C1H2O1. This is the simplest ratio, therefore it will be termed as empirical formula. So what is molecular formula of acetic acid? C2H4O2. What is its empirical formula? It is C1H2O1. Now if I discuss acetone, if I discuss acetone, so what is the formula of acetone? So it is CH3 C double bond O CH3. What would be its molecular formula? So how many carbon? Carbon 1, 2, 3 carbon. How many hydrogen? 6 hydrogen. And how many oxygen? 1. So its molecular formula is C3H6O1. C3H6O1. This is the actual ratio. Can it be further simplified? The answer is no. It cannot be simplified further, and the reason is oxygen is 1. So it cannot be further simplified. Therefore, in simple form also we can write this is C3H6O1, cannot be simplified further. Therefore, its molecular formula is C3H6O1, and same would be its empirical formula, because it cannot be simplified further. So empirical formula of acetone is C3H6O1, and also its molecular formula is C3H6O1, because it cannot be simplified. So this is how we calculate the empirical and the molecular formula.